The Transit Emergency Response application TERA has been developed by the Transportation Research Board to provide a range of scenarios to train transit professionals. This guide will take you through the steps to run a TERA staff exercise. All personnel participating in a staff exercise must have a TERA account. Accounts are requested from the TERA login page. To schedule a staff exercise, log into TERA. Downloadable and online user guides are available from the information page. To schedule a TERA exercise, go to the Host an Exercise. You can choose from a number of different scenarios. Different skill levels will give participants different levels of guidance through the exercise. For participants who have not used TERA before, we recommend the novice skill level. Guides for each scenario are available on the documentation page. These include the scenario outline and the tasks that each participant will be responsible for in the exercise. When you have selected a scenario and given the exercise a name, click Next. Select the state and county you are exercising in. If the exercise participants are not co-located and all have speakers and microphones on their computers, Voice over IP can be enabled to allow voice interaction. If you have very low bandwidth environment, you can restrict the amount of streaming video by having it go only to the host computer and projecting the computer screen with an overhead projector. If bandwidth is not an issue, leave the TV injects enabled for everyone. TERA allows you to customize the exercise to your location and agency. If desired, enter the number of buses and other resources that you would like to have available for you in the exercise. You can also specify locations such as damaged areas and shelters to be used. These locations can be used in emails, news articles, and other injects during the exercise. The customization wizard allows other types of customization as well. See the online guide if you'd like more information. Be sure to save your customization values. You can load the customization values to use in future exercises. You can schedule the exercise to be available at once or at a future date. Next, specify who is hosting the exercise. Hosts can start and end the exercise and will have other controls that participants do not have. Next, specify which role each participant will execute. TERA exercises the key incident command roles in a Transit Emergency Operations Center. TERA also allows support roles to participate in a staff exercise. These optional roles do not receive specific tasking, but can benefit a full staff exercise. TERA also allows liaisons from other organizations such as the State Emergency Operations Center or State National Guard. These observers receive situation updates from outside organizations and can bring up coordination issues between organizations. Once you have assigned the roles, click Schedule to schedule the exercise. On the day of the exercise, participants will go to the Join an Exercise screen. Hosts will be allowed to start the exercise. Once everyone has joined the exercise, the host clicks the play button in the upper left to start the exercise. The scenario is designed to slowly immerse the players into the situation, slowly building with the amending flood and then hitting a climax with levees eventually breaching. As the exercise begins, news reports, emails, bulletins, and other information will appear, providing users with situational awareness and perhaps distracting them from completing the necessary incident action plan. As the scenario progresses and the storm gets closer, players may encounter virtual visitors, phone calls, and radio messages to mimic the real-life situation. In the novice skill mode, players also receive guidance about what task they should perform. The exercise is divided into time segments. Your progress through the time segments is indicated by the progress bar. When you have received all the messages in a time segment, the host will be notified that the exercise can skip ahead to the next segment once all players have completed their current task. Once you have completed all the time segments, the host can end the exercise with the exit button. If you have not completed the exercise, you have the option of saving it to return to it later. The group may want to use the after-action report to drive discussions about what they've learned.